Hey guys, how's it going on? We are Fast Cow Engine, and we're here to talk about natural gas collection systems for farms.
The general idea, the idea is we'll build some kind of canopy system over the top of where, say, cows and other live animals would be existing, so especially in the barns or over the large paths that they tend to travel. Use that to collect the methane and use that to power engines to power the farm or sell back to electric companies.
Right now, cows are the leading cause of global warming. We can use, or one of the leading causes of global warming, we can use cows to fight global warming through Fast Cow Engine. Our technology will be great. Put in your investments right now because it's going straight up. Thanks.